This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Facebook app not working on Android phone. If you're trying to open your Facebook app, if you see the app is not working or not opening, follow these easy steps to fix this error. The first solution is go to your Android phone settings and scroll down, tap on apps, and here scroll down and search for Facebook. Tap on it. First of all, tap on force stop, tap on OK. And then tap on storage. Tap on clear cache, tap on clear data, delete. Once done, go ahead and check the issue. The second solution is check for any update. Go to your Play Store, search for Facebook. If you see any update available, update the Facebook app and check the issue. And the last solution is restart your iPhone. Sometime restarting your phone can fix this kind of issues. So give a simple restart and then check the issue. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.